YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV, man. And y'all already see what we got going on. As you can see, I'm not in the M2, y'all. I'm not in the M2. If y'all boys follow me on social media, y'all see the M2's getting a little work done to it, you know what I mean? I told y'all, bro, we getting ready. Day by day. Slowly. Getting that shit ready for September. I already told y'all big things coming. But yeah, but right now we are in the daily. We're currently about to go pick up the M2 actually. Probably get it back for a couple days. Use it around. Let the what I got on it is the lowering springs. Let the lowering springs settle down in it. Drop it back off, get alignment. Shit like that. But yeah. So that's what we about to do right now. I'm on the way currently to pick up the car. So you know I pick up the cam, boy, give y'all boys a little POV, cause y'all love a POV, man. Oh, that nigga almost hit that. But yeah, we in the Alfa Romeo. Who honking? I gotta get out of this lane, mud. This lane killing me. But yeah, we in the Alfa, man. It's a cool car. Nice little daily. The fucking gas mileage on this fucking shit is crazy. I think like a full tank is like over 300 something. Like that shit is fucking nuts. But yeah, man, we here. I'll probably pick up the camera when I get a little bit closer. Show y'all the car a little bit. Alright, boys. As you can see, I just picked up the car. I'm currently on the way back home. Got me some fucking Starbucks and shit. I don't even drink fucking Starbucks, but I got me a gift card and shit. So I was like, alright, let me bust that wop. But yeah, yo. Shout out my nigga Rocks, man. I just got the car back. The car feels fucking amazing, bro. It's sitting pretty on these fucking springs, yo. Like the fitment. Bro, first off, the fitment out the factory, it's too much. But obviously it's out the factory, but yo, the way this shit is sitting, oh my god, I'm in love with it. It makes the car look so much better. Way more lower, way more aggressive. I love it. When I get out, when I get out of the car, I'm gonna show y'all boys how we looking. And I already got the spacers in the front. I got 12 millimeters in the front, but I don't got none in the rear. Hold on, is G80 next to me? Oh my god. That shit is fire, bro. Nah, I'm weak. The M3 was bad, yo. That's a bad spec he got. The fucking, yo, I love that green. I love that green. That green is bad. That green M3, that shit is bad. He got the green, orange buckets. Bro, that's a bad spec. That spec bad. That spec bad. Very good spec. Yo, what the fuck is this guy doing, bro? This taxi man driving up on the dirt and stuff. Nah, let me get away from this fella. But yeah, bro, back to what I was saying though. Yeah, I'm running right now I'm currently running 12mm spacers in the front. I have no spacers in the rear, but I have spacers for the rears. It's 15 for the rears. I just didn't put them on yet. But when I go to work today, I'm gonna just jack up the car and throw them shits on real quick. No biggie. I'm definitely gonna show y'all that for sure. But yeah, man, yo, the car feels good. Definitely feels lower. Definitely. Car feels so fucking good, yo. I miss this thing, man. I miss this shit, man. Fucking car, bro. Bro, the fucking car feels so fucking fast. Oh my god. Bro, fucking pocket rocket, bro. She be ready to fucking boogie. And a fucking car that can handle, oh my god. This nigga fucking almost threw the Civic into me, bro. Bro, the shit quick, bro. It can handle. Amazing car, man. Shout out BMW for real. Manual. Like, what are we talking about? What are you mean? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, boys, my fault. It's currently the next day. I was busy yesterday, so I forgot to pick up the camera. But I'm on the way home. So when I get home, I'm gonna show y'all the fitment of how the car's sitting down and everything. Bro, this shit looks fucking mint. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I get back home. Alright, boys. So I'm about to get show y'all the fitment right now. Hold on, let me just give y'all boys a little cold start. Sheesh. Alright. So this is what we rocking with right here. Bro, barely any space for my two fingers. Let me show y'all boys the rears here. In the back here, I'm running a 15mm spacer. I told y'all that. In the front, I've had a 12, but I took it off. But it still look pretty good though. You know what I mean? Alright, so I think I'm gonna end the video off there. Just make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good shit. I appreciate all the love and support I'm getting. Make sure y'all boys like and comment on my last video too. I just dropped a video, so I'm dropping this one right after. Yeah, man, we on that consistent shit. I appreciate everybody, yo. Chef out.